Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Suzanne. It's been a while. I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial today, and I'm just gonna do a bronze makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please subscribe and let's begin. First, I'm gonna prime my skin, and I'm using the Grip and Primer by Cover FX. You can use any primer you like. This is my go-to at the moment. I love how the makeup adheres to this. Stellar Foundation has been my go-to since I have my tan, and I list all the shades down below for you guys. It's a little bit dark for me, but it will work. Trust the process. It's light to medium coverage. I use it just for the color, just to give me a nice tan shade. It matches my body as well. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way Sculpting Concealer. This is in the shade Nude. I really love this concealer. It has beautiful full coverage, but it doesn't drive me out. It's very hydrating on the skin. I'm using a brush because I couldn't find my beauty blender, but I've been doing this lately. I've been using a brush to blend my concealer, and then I go with my sponge at the end just to kind of blend everything out. This is from Real Technique. I really love this tiny one just under the eyes. And before I use any powders today, I'm going to be sculpting my face with this wand. This is a sculpting pen from Kevyn Aucoin. This is the shade Medium. It has a beautiful cool tone. I'm not going to use it all over my face, just to contour my cheekbones and my nose as well. And I'm going to use the same foundation brush that I used. This pen, it blends seamlessly on the skin, and it doesn't look ashy or, gray on the skin. And now I'm gonna be warming up my skin. This is Nudestix in the shade Sunkissed, and this is a bronzer. You can use it as a blush as well if you like. And I'm using the same brush, and I'm just gonna blend it all the way to my temples. And I'm also gonna use this Nudestix on my forehead as well, just to give me a little bit of warmth. And I'm going to use this Becca Ignite. This is in the shade Acceptance. This is a beautiful highlighter, guys. It's really, really pretty. Get your hands on it before it goes, because Becca is going out of business in October, I believe. So yeah, this is a beautiful liquid highlight. You can use it on your body as well. And I'm just going to highlight everywhere I do. My nose, my cupid bow. I do it on the forehead as well. Just because I have dry skin, I really like to give me a little bit of a glow. Next, I'm using Kosas. This is a blush and highlight duo. This formula is so pretty. It has a blush and a highlight. Today, I'm just going to use that blush. It has a beautiful rosy pink, very natural pink color. I'm just going to use the same brush that I use on my for my foundation, just because it's a beautiful brush. This is from Quo, and I get it from Shoppers Drug Mart. And I'm just gonna apply this and before the powder. I do like to apply my creams before my powders, and then I will build it up as I go. Next, I'm using Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm just gonna use this one under the eyes, and I'm just gonna use it around my mouth as well. I don't want to take any of that glow away, and I'm really precise with my sponge. I'm trying not to get into my highlight and my liquid blush. Next, I'm just using a little bit more of that blush with a sponge, just to kind of build it up a little bit more. Next, I'm using the same concealer to conceal my eyes, and I'm just going to set it with a powder. This is from Gucci. You don't have to use this powder. You can use any powder or any eyeshadow palette. And I'm just going to warm up my crease a little bit. I'm using this Gucci bronzer. This is in the shade Medium. And I'm just using a big fluffy brush. I'm not doing anything special here, just to kind of give me a little bit of a warmth to my eyes. Next, I'm using this Natasha Denona palette. This is the Peak palette, and I'm just going to use that peachy pink color, and I'm using more of a precise blending brush. I'm not taking this shade at all into my crease, so I'm trying to be precise with it. Next, I'm using that orange shade and I'm just gonna pop it in the lower lash line. I've been really loving orange reddish colors in the lower lash line. And I'm using that beautiful bronze color all over my lid. Just using my finger just because it's the best. Next, I'm using Jouer highlight, and I'm just gonna use it in the inner corners. And I'm just using that highlight just to highlight my inner corners, cupid bow, just to set that cream in place. Next, I'm using a mascara. I've been loving this mascara so much. I love the wand, how it fits into my eye. And it just hugs my lashes. It separates and it lengthens as well. And I use it this way just to coat my lower lashes. Next, I'm using Jouer pencil. This is for my brows. I'll list all the shades down below because I really don't remember the shade. And I'm just gonna fill in the gaps. And next, I'm going to be using this Patrick Ta tinted wax, and you have to activate it when you use it. So I'm using a setting spray. This is from Maven Beauty. And next, I'm using KBD Beauty. I'm just gonna lighten up my lips with it. I did use a plumper. It's from Too Faced, the Extreme Lip Plumping gloss, and I use this Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is just a beautiful lip gloss. It gives you that bronze look, and it has a little bit of shimmers in it. I really like it for the summertime. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick, easy bronze look. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.